Dogs everywhere. Babies everywhere. Say what's up.
What's up?
Say welcome to my vlog. Yeah. Okay, as the storms close in and the time ticks by, I have to go get a new tire. Storms are coming. Kuyas are working. Dogs are barking. I gotta go get a new tire. We're about to find out here real quick. I'm jumping on the other bike, JP's bike. I'm gonna jump on this bike so that I can get out of here and go get my tire real quick. My other bike, the tire exploded, so I need to go buy a new tire. Okay, well, I'm gonna get a tube. I don't really want to get the same tire because I don't like how it wore last time, but he has one. I want a bigger tread, but I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, salamat kuya. One more quick stop. Look at two other shops and see. I need a front tire too. Only one? No other different ones? Okay lang. Sila, tara. Morning. What tag? It's a 150 XR. Yeah. Wala?
120. We only have 120, 70 by 17, sir.
Yeah, it's too slick. It's a street tire, right? Yeah. Look at that. Huh?
180.
1/8? Wow.
1880, sir? 180.
My rear tire is 1.2. The front tire is more expensive. That's crazy.
Because it's 19.
Now we're roadside, trying to get this out. I don't know, maybe that little bit of time, that little bit of weight, the shaft doesn't want to come out. The rear shaft, so we're gonna see what we can do to get it out here. My main man decided to come give me a hand here. He's got the most essential item, tools. So we pop off the rear shaft, the rear drive shaft or axle shaft there, and now we're popping off the rear brake spring, and then you take off the chain off the spoke, off the sprocket, and the rear tire should come right off. Oh shit. That's why I put that there and it went underneath it. Yeah, I don't know why it's flat. All right. Step one, step two, now to get back on the bike, back to the shop, see if we can fix the tire, then get it back, get it on, then go with my own bike, thus fixed, and get some new tires. Doing the smart thing, putting everything back together while we're gone. What do you think? Do you think it's time, or it has more time left? okay, it's not okay. But
It's okay.
it's okay? Okay, then we wait. I'll go buy front tire today. Because we know the front tire is bad. So it's been 1 year with this tire. Wow, 1 year. Okay. Not bad for 1 year. So now we're learning that we learned that we need to take an old tube and cut it so that the spoke heads do not become too aggressive against the tube and pop the new tube, which can happen, I guess, is one of the issues. So we're gonna take an old tire and basically splice that and cut it, because these eventually wear and tear at the spokes right here in the middle. And so you got to find something to insulate. So you find something cheap and affordable to insulate, which would be an old tube like that. And then before we put the new tube in, we have new insulation sealed tightly against the interior of the rim. It's a learning process. Now we're doing some DIY welding here. But palisipan welding.
Palisipan.
Palisipan. Tapping and checking his welds. Looks like a rice harvester, rice field agitator. They're repairing the motor mount on. Interesting. So he just yanked off the airline thread to make that just pure rubber, and now he's going to splice it evenly and turn that into 2 layers of rubber gasket to seal and protect the inner liner of the tube against the rim. While my mechanic is doing his thing, he needs a smoke, I need a drink. So I'm gonna get some waters and some smokes. To your local grocery store, which there's one right there. And there's one right there. And she's got pots of food. I can see what snacks are up. This is how you would do it. Tubig, yeah? Oh? Wala? Wala la Winston Reds, no? Oh, okay lang. Oh, sige. Maybe I'll come back for some food. Ara. Ah, okay. Eh, may mutate.
May tipo. Tolo.
Isa ka gamay na Sprite? Isa ka gamay Sprite?
Right?
Oh, yeah. Nakakatubig? Bottle, no?
Yes, sir.
Gamay. Okay na. Dua?
Duha?
Tulog ka Winston Red cigarette?
No cigarette, Winston, sir.
Wala na Winston. Mighty Red or green?
No, wala na, sir.
Wala.
Green lang.
Okay. Tulog ka green.
Tulo ka green.
Oh. One after the other, everything's running out.
Naman.
Oh, salamat eh. Sige. So he's got it on now, and he's adding a little soapy water to see if any bubbles come out anywhere. Okay, now we're gonna ride back, and we're gonna throw some grease on her and everything and throw her back on the bike.
neutral the engine liquid.
Ah, oh,